What's good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We've got a how-to video for you today. I'm going to be showing you how to use your mobile phone as a replacement for your webcam on your laptop or computer. Now, it's a well-known fact that the webcams that come as a part of your laptop or computer are severely poor in quality and sometimes have noise in meetings and other calls that you have with family or friends, whether that's a part of work or not. So what we can do is hook your phone up to your laptop or computer and use the camera attached to your phone instead. The chances are that the camera attached to your phone is probably much better in quality compared to the webcam that you're using at the moment in meetings and so on. So all you're going to need to do this is a mobile phone with a camera attached to it and your USB charging cable that you use with that phone. This is what we're going to use to connect your phone to your laptop or computer. Now guys, if you do find this video useful, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We are going to be dropping many more gems like this on the channel and I don't want you to miss out. The method of connecting your phone to your laptop also comes with additional benefits. What we can do is use the flash on your phone as a light compared to the one that's probably attached to your laptop or computer. I know that they sometimes come in the form of very small LEDs and the flash on your phone is probably much better in most cases. This obviously helps with when you're recording videos in a dark or poorly lit room, and at the same time you don't want to be in meetings or conferences where people can hardly see your face. Obviously this helps with being more professional and gives a better look to your videos and streams or meetings that you're having. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to the Google Play Store, or if you are on an Apple device, navigate to the App Store and search for iRuin. I think that's how it's pronounced. You're just going to want to type iRuin into the search bar and you're going to click on the iRuin app here and you're going to want to install this onto your mobile phone and then run the application. It's as simple as that guys. All you need to do is download the iRuin application and run that on your phone. As I said, this works on both Android and Apple devices. Some Android users may get a message asking them to enable USB debugging. I am going to leave a link in the description of this video showing you how to do that. It's much easier than me going through it on the screen. That's just because there are different types of Android phones with different skins enabled on top of them. So for example, Samsung does have One UI and I'm not sure what OnePlus may have or any other devices. So with the phone side of this guide covered, we now want to go onto your laptop or computer and go to a web browser and type in to the URL search bar iRuin.com. Once you are on this website, you either want to download the Windows version or you are going to want to go to the Mac version. Now clicking on this for Windows, which is what I have at the moment, it's going to download an exe file and I'm just going to click on it and run through the installation of this. So at the bottom it asks us one webcam, we're just going to leave it as that, and at the end we're just going to click on launch on startup or launch once this is finished. Once the application is running on both your mobile phone and laptop or computer, you just need to make sure that both the phone and laptop or computer are connected using the cable, and you will see on the application running on your laptop or computer an image of what's appearing on your video camera off your phone. It's as simple as that. Both are connected now. Now I know you're probably wondering that this is a really poor quality image that you are seeing on the application on your laptop or computer. Don't worry about that. I can assure you that you would be using the full quality that your mobile phone camera produces. You can use this on all applications that allow you to select your camera, such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and whatever else you use to connect with your family or friends. Because I predominantly use Microsoft Teams, I'm just going to show a short demo of me selecting my mobile phone camera in the application. So what I'm doing is clicking on the cog icon underneath the video camera. I'm selecting iRuin camera, and now as you can see, it's a really good quality image. In fact, it is the full quality that you would see on your mobile phone device. Now guys, what you are going to want to remember is, once the phone has been disconnected from your laptop or computer, you are going to need to switch back over to your native webcam on your laptop or computer. That is quite important, otherwise you will get a message saying webcam not found. One additional note guys, if you are showing text or images during meetings or conferences, you will need to ensure that you hit the flip button on your mobile phone application of iRuin, just to ensure that the text or images are appearing in the correct direction, like so. Also, as I mentioned before, you can use the flash button on the mobile phone application to ensure the flash is being used on your mobile phone camera, and obviously this will provide better lighting than what you would have seen on your webcam on your laptop or computer. You just need to select the icon here and that will toggle it on and off. So guys, as I mentioned to you before, if this video is useful to you, please remember to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. We are going to be dropping many more gems like this on the channel in the future. That's it for this guide. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Peace.